English Evolution Step 1. Improve your English speaking skills. With friends. Hey, Emma, how was your weekend? It was great. I caught up with some old friends. Nice. I had a movie night with my besties. Friends make life more colorful, don't they? Surely, they do. And also, don't we? Yes, we do. It's time to go. Bye. Number 2. About neighbors. Emma, our new neighbors seem friendly. Yes, they invited us for a barbecue next week. That's lovely. Let's bring a dessert. Agreed. Maybe homemade cookies. Number 3. Family gatherings. Emma, family dinners are chaotic but fun. Absolutely. Everyone has a story to share. And Uncle Joe's jokes are always cringe-worthy. But they're part of our quirky family charm. I love all the family members. Me too. Number 4. Colleague chats. Emma, did you see the email from HR? Yes, they're organizing a team-building event. Bowling or escape room? What's your vote? Escape room, it's like a real-life puzzle. Yes, it's lovely one. Thank you for chatting. Number 5. Dealing with enemies. Emma, that coworker is impossible. Stay calm. Maybe they're having a tough time. True, I'll kill them with kindness. Or just avoid their negativity altogether. Nice weather today, isn't it? Yes, it's beautiful. How are you doing? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Good. Can I get a latte, please? Sure, hot or iced? Hot, please. Where's the nearest subway station? Go straight and turn left at the next corner. Number 6. Talking about hobbies. Do you like playing guitar? Yes, I play in a band. What about you? Any plans for the weekend? I'm going hiking with friends. Wow, your haircut looks great. Thanks. I just got it done yesterday. We're having a barbecue this Saturday. Want to come? Sounds fun. I'll be there. How's your new job going? It's challenging but exciting. Have you been to Paris? Yes, I love the Eiffel Tower. I need to mow the lawn on Sunday. I'll be gardening. Let's compare green thumbs. Number 6. Booking a hotel room. Hello, I'd like to know the price of a single room, please. It's £30 per night. Is breakfast included? Yes, I'll take a single room for 4 nights, from May 10th to May 14th. Under what name should I make the reservation? David Miller, thank you. You are welcome. It will be ready shortly. Num 7. Dining at a restaurant. I'd like a table for 1, please. Terrace or inside? Inside, near the window. I'll start with the warm goat cheese salad. Terrace or inside? For the main course, the seafood platter. Yes, and a bottle of still water, please. Thank you so much, Sarah. You are welcome, Emma.